Hello all, welcome back to another UberEats episode. So today is Friday and we're going to be trying to do the quest tonight. Quest tonight is £10 for 8 trips, £15 for 10 trips and £20 for 12 trips. Had a good response from the challenge video. I have got another one coming up with Gig Hustle TV, so go and check out his channel as well. We've got a challenge coming up. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, you just have to wait and see for that one. But yeah, go head over to his channel and check it out. He's got some really good content. The bike's fully charged, as you can see, on 0 miles. Haven't done anything. Yeah, also forgot to add, the boost is 1.3x tonight, so that's from 5:30 until 10 p.m. No, from 5 p.m. till 10 p.m. So yeah, currently waiting for my mate from the Pizza Boys. So I got my first order, 1.7 miles away. Just started to rain a little bit, but it doesn't say that it's going to rain all night. So that delivery is done. Let's see how much we get paid for that one. Yeah, that's 1 of 8 on the quest. Let's see how much we get paid. £4.18. Not bad. So yeah, gone about 20 minutes with no orders. So I'm just gonna switch location. Not sure how this quest is gonna go down, but I think a lot of people are going out for Halloween this evening. Even though Halloween's tomorrow, we always tend to celebrate things early. But yeah, hopefully it's a little bit busier after 7 p.m. So we got an order from Deliveroo, paying £3.98, and it isn't that far as well, so I thought I'd accept it. So this order is only 0.4 miles away, which is only 2 minutes, but we've got another order straight afterwards on Uber from McDonald's. So yeah, I don't normally accept 2 orders at the same time, but seeing as this one's only 2 minutes away, it's not going to make a big difference. So finally got that order after like 10 minutes of waiting. 1.4 miles away. McDonald's UberEats is messed up tonight, so a lot of the orders that are coming through, they're not coming through to the restaurant, they're just going through to the driver, so they're turning away a lot of people. So yeah, I mean, it's 20 to 7 now and I'm only on my 3rd order. So that one's delivered. So yeah, as I was explaining earlier, there's a technical issue with the app and they've just sent a message out that says we are aware of the technical issue which is affecting some restaurants in the UberEats app. We are working to fix it as soon as possible, but you can continue to complete deliveries. We apologise for any inconvenience. There's drivers turning up to McDonald's and they're not getting the order because the order isn't showing up on their system. The last one, I'm not sure what the last one paid. It's not even showing me my earnings updated. But we just got another McDonald's order. What a day for it to malfunction, eh? On a day that I'm trying to make money. I'm gonna go back online with Deliveroo. So yeah, UberEats is down. Looks like I'm just gonna stick to Deliveroo. Of all days, they give us a quest and then the app malfunctions. I mean, what kind of joke is this? Yeah, I'm picking up a delivery order. 6487. Sorry, excuse me. There's something missing from here. What is it? The Ferrero Rocher. get to the customer and then they say, where's my courier watching? Just about to drop this order off. Oh man, it's going so slow, but I'll make up for it in the week. He said my date of birth. No, your dog's date of birth. Of course your date of birth, bro. You ordered cigarettes. That one's done anyway. I'll go back online in about 5-10 minutes. Let my phone charge up a bit. I think I'm going to charge the GoPro up as well. So yeah, I'll bring you back because it's only on 30% now. So I'll bring you back once I've charged that up a little bit. 20 minutes waiting for an order. Still nothing. Let's go see if this McDonald's order's here. I'm just absolutely fed up of this shift. They've got that McDonald's order 0.7 miles away. Amazingly, it was there. The quest is out of the window. I've only got 15 minutes left. And this is only my 4th order. Oh, so that one's dropped off. Nice and easy. Yeah, terrible, terrible night. I mean, I've set out a schedule of how much I want to earn over a period of 11 days, but it looks like I'm going to have to do some days, some shifts after my normal work, my normal job that I have. Yeah, the Uber app is really buggy this evening. It's not giving you any orders, and it's not updating the money that you've made. This is still not updating. Don't know what's going on with that. So this order is 0.9 miles away. Dropped. Got 2 orders here. I've picked this up. It's 0.6 miles to pick it up. Double order, I'll take anything right now, especially the way that it's been pretty rubbish. So yeah, I'll take anything right now. I need to leave my my camera running sometimes. I went into that restaurant and he said 35-minute wait. I looked at him, I said, are you serious? He said orders are coming in and then just disappearing straight away. So they're falling behind on orders. But basically the order's still in the system, but to the restaurant it's basically saying that it's been collected. So it's coming in and then just disappearing straight away. So Uber must be losing out on millions right now. And if it's a worldwide thing, we continue. Let's see if my Uber's updated. Yeah, £16.95 I've made since 5 PM. Didn't even manage to do the quest either. Deliveroo, £10.64. So £26, £27 I've made. Half of my target. Absolutely rubbish. A lot of people now, especially now, they're having all these issues with Uber. They're just gonna order via Deliveroo. I mean, I know you can't get McDonald's, but everyone will just go over to Just Eat and order McDonald's through Just Eat. And all the customers that are using Uber, they will just move over to Deliveroo. So they're losing money, customers, you know, and pissing off drivers as well. I know I don't normally swear in my videos, but it does piss us off, because we're out here in the rain, in the cold, working like slaves, you know, for these £4 drops, £3 drops. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up there. Earn a miserable £16.95 on Uber, and on Deliveroo £10.64. I'm gonna end the video on that note. Hopefully tomorrow's a lot better. Gonna be doing the Halloween video, which will put me in a better mood. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and hit the bell notification for new uploads. Yeah, and I look forward to bringing you the next episode. Take care, and yeah, as always, peace.